So we're going to copy everything in the code here from beginning to end. That is 44 lines. Then we go to remix.ethereum.org. Links for everything will be in the description. We're going to decline that. This is the default workspace. You select contracts and then you create a new file. So you select that. It's up here, new file, and then you can name it whatever you want just to keep things clean. Token.sol. .sol means solidity because you are programming something in Solidity. And this is what you have to do. There are only 3 lines you really need to mess with. The coin supply, right now it's defaulted to 10,000 tokens, 100,000, 1 million. We're going to make 1 million tokens. And now we can change the token name. It can be whatever you like. Let's call it Dan Fans. Yeah. If you want some Dan Fans, let me know in the comments and I can give these away. I'll try to figure out how to do that without having to pay too much gas on my side. And we'll call it DFS as the symbol. And that's all the coding you need to do. That's it. Now you just have to compile it. That's the second step here. You select the compiler. Make sure the version of Solidity is the same as the compiler. This code uses 0.8.2. And from here, we select 0.8.2. And now we compile the token. We're going to get 2 warnings. Just 2 warnings. That's okay. We can still run this code. Now we go to deploy and we change the environment to injected Web 3. That's going to open up MetaMask and we'll be able to launch our token onto the Binance Smart Chain network. Now you can do all of this for free on the testnet, but we're doing it live. We're doing this live so you can see the issues you'd probably expect in a live environment. So I'm ready and I'm going to hit deploy. This brings up Binance Smart Chain and it's going to cost me 0.004 BNB to launch this token. BNB is trading about $350. It's going to cost me $1.50 to create my own cryptocurrency. Confirm. Creation of token pending. And it's made. So it won't be completely available yet. I kind of just had this issue here. We're going to go back into MetaMask. The amount I have is less than earlier. I messed up a few times. Just a heads up. So that's why I learned how to fix things. So I'm going to copy my address to the clipboard. Do not lose any of this information yet because you still need it. So this shows up after you deploy your contract. Hit the drop down there. And then we're going to transfer tokens into our own wallet. It could be pretty much any amount. We're going to paste our address. Pretty much the coins are just sitting out there and we have to claim them. And I put in my address, comma, space 1. It could be 1, 10, a million, whatever I want. I'm just going to put 1 just to get the ball rolling. So I'm going to hit transfer and then transact. It's going to bring up MetaMask, and there is another gas fee of 167, or another 50 cents, something like that, and hit confirm. So now we're going to go into BSC scan from the home page here, just so you see everything. I'm going to paste in my Binance Smart Chain address. Okay, it took like 1 minute, so that's not a crazy amount of time. I just had to refresh it a couple times. And then if we look here, I have my 1 million Dan fans. So I just needed to interact with the contract to get the tokens into my wallet. With Binance Smart Chain, everything is public knowledge. So if you're holding any other Binance Smart Chain tokens, it's going to appear in your token dropdown. So you can see here, I made only Dans earlier and Ploop. I messed up on Ploop a few times, which is why I lost some tokens there. So yeah, I think those are just dead tokens. I'm not sure. There should be a way to claim it. Doesn't really matter. I don't need those Ploops. They have no value anyway. And now you have tokens. I now have 1 million Dan fans available in my Binance Smart Chain wallet. If this has been helpful so far, feel free to hit the like button. That helps me out. And if you are creating a token, I'm going to leave my Binance Smart Chain address in the description. And feel free to send me any of the tokens you make. I feel like we'll have an interesting collection in this wallet. So next steps, making it available, letting people trade this token. For Dan fans, I kind of want to give some away. So I don't know how to do that with an airdrop, because it would take a long time to manually send it to a lot of people, and I'd have to spend a lot of money on gas fees just because it all adds up. I'll figure that out in a future video for an airdrop, but for now, let's just make these coins completely available on PancakeSwap. Don't know why I said it that way, but yeah, we're going to PancakeSwap.
Elon Musk is about to shock the world, and it could mean big things for investors who make their move right now.
So PancakeSwap.finance, this is probably the leading DeFi platform on Binance Smart Chain. We're going to connect our wallet. There's a different wallet connected here. I'm going to log out of that one. And then I'm going to connect via MetaMask. So yeah, pretty easy to use. Open up MetaMask, hit next, connect. And now my wallet is connected with PancakeSwap. So to make my coins publicly available, I go to trade, hit liquidity, and I'm going to provide liquidity to the market for my token. So the trading pair is going to be against BNB, and I'm going to select my currency. Going back to BSC scan, I'm going to select my token, Dan fans, and I'm going to copy the contract address. Next, I go back to PancakeSwap, select a currency, paste in my contract address, and select DFS. Yeah, stumbled there. And it says you are the first liquidity provider. The ratio of tokens you add will set the price of this pool. Once you are happy with the rate, click supply to review. So I'm going to add 1 million Dan fans. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. 1 million Dan fans. Let me at least have, 999,999. So I'm going to add 999,999 Dan fans of liquidity into PancakeSwap. And I'm going to provide 0.01 BNB. PancakeSwap is kind of glitchy. I lost the connection to my wallet there. So I'm going to hit unlock wallet. Unlock wallet. MetaMask. Next. Connect. Alright, so it kind of glitched out there, but now I can add the max amount, and I only want to add in 0.01 BNB. So I'm pretty much providing all the tokens I have available. You don't really have to do that. You can put any amount. But if you want to buy all of the Dan fans, it's going to be very affordable. Maybe I'll make a better cryptocurrency in the future, but don't really need this one. So I'm going to approve this, and yeah, approve DFS. It's going to open up MetaMask and ask me if this is what I want to do. It's going to cost 8 cents to provide liquidity to this market. So pretty much I'm spending less than $10 in all, especially with setting up the token and the fees here, and becoming a liquidity provider. So I'm going to hit confirm, approving DFS, and then supply should light up. All right, just hit supply, create pool and supply. It's going to cost me a little bit more money to add the liquidity. It says add liquidity ETH. MetaMask was designed on Ethereum, and ETH is kind of the default word for gas. So it's really BNB since I'm on Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to approve this. Transaction submitted. Transaction pending. Let me hit close. And let's see. Did it update? Success. We got a success there. That's good. This hasn't quite updated yet. Yes. So actually it did. So it says here, LP tokens, liquidity provider tokens in your wallet, DFS BNB pair. I have pretty much all of them. And that's it. So let's say I wanted to buy my own token back. I would put in 0.12 BNB and it would get me way more tokens than are actually available. Like there isn't enough DFS. Like I could buy up all my tokens back. I'm not going to do that, but you probably get it. Make the token, provide liquidity, let the market decide how much value it has. So to recap, it takes $1.50 on Binance Smart Chain to launch your own token, and a couple more bucks if you want to make that coin tradable on PancakeSwap. The same thing goes for Bakery Swap. It works the exact same way. If you wanted to do the same thing on an ERC20 token, the process is the same. You would just need to be working in the Ethereum network on MetaMask instead of Binance Chain. Now, if this video has been helpful so far, I would appreciate it if you like the video. If you did happen to make your own coin, I'm going to leave my Binance Smart Chain address in the description, so feel free to send me some of your tokens, and I'd be interested to see what the full value audience is making. And with that, hope you guys